Howdy, my name is Haley Murray. I'm in CSC 111. I'll be doing a voiceover today to show you guys something I learned in class, which is how to use the substring function. And we did this through a really fun activity called the name game, so I'm just going to do a shortened version of that. All right, just going to put a little note up here just to keep it organized. All right, and now I'm going to import a scanner. So it's going to be the java.util scanner. All right, and now I can get started with my code. So I'm going to start off with class how to, is what I'm going to call it. Bracket, and I should probably save it. Yeah, I'm definitely going to save it. All right, I'm just going to call this howto.java to match my class name. All right, now I can do the main shortcut, and I'm going to string in a couple of variables. I'm going to string in the username, because that is subject to change. Anybody could put in their name. I'm going to string in the song verse. As you can see, I misspelled string. Don't worry, I will come back in later and I'll fix that. All right, now I'm going to string in the user answer. Actually, I just realized I don't need user answer for this particular one. All right, so you can just ignore string user answer, but I'm going to make a little introduction, the name game, and then I'm going to ask the user for their name. User answer would really only be needed if they decided they didn't want to play anymore or something like that. But since this scenario is a little shorter, we're just going to do a simple rhyme. We won't be needing it. All right, and this is where we're going to use that scanner that we imported to scan whatever the user types in, so whatever name they put in. So we'll do the new scanner system in. Sorry for the slow typing. I get nervous when I know people are watching me type, so. Right, username equals scanner dot next line, so that way it knows which one to scan. All right, and now after this, we're just going to do a series of print lines, but print lines that include our variables. All right, so we have PL for the shortcut, and now we're going to say okay, and then plus username. And here's your rhyme. All right, and now this is where we're going to get familiar with substrings. So we're going to do another print line, and then username plus. And then we're going to want to do a little space in between just to make sure everything looks even. If you weren't using variables, you wouldn't have to include these little quotations, but since we are, we're going to include spaces. All right. So in order to get rid of the first letter of somebody's name so it can fit within the rhyme, this is where the substring function comes in. So you're going to do username dot substring 1. So it removes the first character of the name, the first letter. As you can see. So it would be Haley, that's my name, Bo Bailey. All right, we're going to do another line just to continue the rhyme. This particular rhyme was in one of my favorite shows ever, which is American Horror Story. So I got really excited whenever we were assigned it in class because I love that show. So we're going to do banana, fana, faux, and just do the first letter, which would be F, or whatever letter you want to replace the first letter of the username. Don't forget to substring. 1. All right, next line. Almost done. 2 more lines and then we're done. We're going to do fee, fi, M. Remember, just the first letter. And substring, 1. Don't forget your semicolon. It's already there. All right, last line. And now this is it. We already did our rhyme and everything. We don't need another substring, so we're just going to put username and an exclamation point at the end. All right, that should be good. Let's check our brackets. Let's indent for readability. All right, and now we can run it. And we're probably going to have a couple errors, but that's okay. Nobody's perfect. I'm a beginner too. So if you're watching this, I'm assuming you're a beginner or a TA. So, all right, we're going to open in terminal since we had to move it to the classworks folder. All right, Java C, howto.java. Yep, there were 2 errors where I misspelled string and then, let's see, forgot to put a capital N in username. So let's go back and fix those. All right, there we go, found it. All right, now it should run perfectly. All right, it's asking me my name. There we go. Haley, Haley, Bo Bailey, Banana, Fanafo, Haley, Fee, Fimo, Maley, Haley. All right, thank you for watching.